Muthenyo mwe thutha wa ndugamano na maobitha borithi ya GSU akuma ruhonge rwa G Company ruria rurangagĩra mutongoria wa bururi, gavana wa Mombasa Hassan Joho niyeyumĩrĩtie gwitetera na aroiga ati ndari na uru na mundu.
Sijawahi kutukana President Uhuru Kenyatta. Sijafunzwa kutukana. Mimi nimefunzwa na nimelelewa na wazazi wamenipatia adabu. Siwezi kutukana mtu.
Joho no arikitie kwandikira minister wa kigina Henry Rotich akimwira ati munene wake akoretwo agitheremia ndeto angienda amuthererie. Irua-ini riu Joho aroiga ati amukirite ciringi bilioni 16 kuma gwĩ thirikari nene ihinda-ini ria miaka 4 ya wathani wake. No oritie Rotich arekererie kigina gia ciringi bilioni 23 iria itigarite niguo ahingirie andu a Mombasa ciraniro ciake.
Mimi nimesema tu mambo ambayo naamini yanahusu maisha ya watu wangu ama watu wa Mombasa. So for example nilisema tunataka miradi mikubwa ya kisawasawa kama maeneo mengine. Hiyo haiwezi kuwa matusi. Nilisema kwamba miradi ambayo mna launch hapa ni ya zamani, hata mingine imeisha zamani, hata tulikuwa tunayatumia. Later on 2-3 years baada ya kuisha mnakuja kuya launch. Mimi nikisema hiyo kwamba hiyo si hatuko radhi nayo, hatufurahii. Tutafurahia ukituletea mradi mkubwa kama vile unapeleka maeneo mengine. Hayo si matusi.
No atetia Jubilee no mathiete na mbere na kwagira kienemerio ya Joho. Atongoria Jubilee mwena wa gicua-ini maugite ati mena uhoro ratariria ati Joho arari na mubango wa gukua nyanake ciake nginya feri-ini ya Mtongo igongona-ini ria president niguo ciugiririe mutongoria wa bururi na cithararie mucemanio ucio.
But don't try and turn every single function into a drama function. Okay, there's a time for drama. When he wants to do his dancing, he should do his dancing in ODM function, but not a presidential function. Okay? So he chose the wrong venue and he was deliberately being mischievous because he likes the drama. The drama is the excuse that he's continuously using.
That is an offense in itself. Organizing criminal gangs to go and disrupt that function, which is a national government function. Let us be straightforward.
Mumemba wa bodi ya Maya Tanati Murithi wa Kang'ara onake no amenereirie Joho akimuria he mutongoria wa bururi gitio giake.
Urarakara nikirira president arathi kwira andu Jubilee government miaka urekete akithi kubingura mirandi yake ni uroka kumubaka macuru na mumbuida bakago macuru koguo angiko ni gwikate arumeni kuonana.
President witu no makaheo gitio, president wa Kenya no makaheo gitio. President no makaheo gitio.
We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 development projects that were opened yesterday, that were initiated yesterday. What is in the newspapers today? The drama tactics of Hassan Ali Joho.
President Uhuru Kenyatta na mbuto yake ya Jubilee mathiete na mbere na kuga ati ni mehotorete kuhaka kaunti ya Mombasa marangi ma Jubilee githurano-ini twerekeire. Riri Joho ehitite ati ekuhuthira hinya na uge wake kugitira cama wa icungwa uria ukoretwo githamaka kaunti-ini iyo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.